When I received the box, it had a crack in the on the side of the box, but I'm not complaining. It's not that bad because the box is very sturdy, as you can see. It comes with two cute satin bags with the company's name branded on it and a quote. As you can see by her YouTube channel, she loves quotes. Very nice, positive, inspirational quotes. And I forgot to mention the drawstring. It'll be very convenient for keeping the moisture in the hair. This is the other bag, another drawstring bag. This one's black, which I prefer because if the hair has product in it or it's dirty by any chance. So you know what I mean? It's not the freshest hair, but you still want to preserve it, like overnight or something. This won't get dirty. This will get dirty, but this one won't. It also has the tag in the package. I'm guessing it's the tag that came with the closure on the mannequin, with her full name on it. And the same quote from the bag, the white satin bag. Well, and last but not least, the closure. Another reason why I was thrown off is because it felt more lighter than I thought it would be. It's about 115 grams, and I thought her closures would be about 130 grams, considering her bundles usually start off with 130. Surprisingly, I found one strand of hair come out. I don't think you guys will be able to see it, but you might see it against my wrist right now. Yeah. So one strand of hair. And that's pretty much it. So not bad at all for me putting my fingers in it multiple times. There's a hole in my lace closure, but at least it's not in the hair, in the actual closure section. This part will be cut off. It has a little bit of baby hair, not too much, which is not bad at all either. I didn't really want any. I don't care for it. But for those who do want that, natural look, where they want to wear it up or half up, half down, certain styles that would require the shorter hair pieces, then that'll work well for you. The lace closure came with the part like that. It's not much of a middle part, it's a little bit off to the side. But as you can see, it could be parted anywhere. It's very flexible here, so there won't be a problem with parting it wherever I'd like. Mama Couture mentions she loves weaving the lace around the closure and the benefits of it. However, the closure I received did not have any extra lace. It has the standard trim at the perimeter. It would have been nice to have the extra lace though, so my bundles under it would blend beautifully. The only thing that I was really thrown off about was the size of the closure. She never mentions how the dimensions of the closure online on her site. So when I got it, it was much smaller than I thought it would be. For some reason, I thought it would be more wider. So it's about 3.5 inches. By 4 inches.